This puzzle may look simple as first as it's just a house and 5 pieces. If we just take some of these pieces here, you can see they're not going to fit perfectly in the frame, having 3 across the puzzle. And if we try fit them in like this, we can get this one here. But again, I can't get this one in next to this. So if I stand this up over here and I do something like this on the side, I can get a 4th piece in up here, but there's no way to get that 5th piece into the tray. This is the Heimspiel puzzle by Siebenstein-Spiele. The goal is to fit all of these pieces into the frame. There is a day side and a night side. One is slightly wider, while the other one is slightly taller. You have to kind of follow a pattern for both sides of these puzzle. Once you figure out what the pattern will be, you just have to reverse it for the other side of the puzzle. So to solve the nighttime side, we actually have to take this piece and place it on top. Then we can take this piece and place it next to that. Next, if we take this piece, we can place it over here. Then you can see we're going to need something like this that goes across the bottom, but unfortunately we don't have a spot for this piece in the tray. So if I take this piece and I flip it over here on the bottom, next I can use this piece on the bottom, then I can use this piece up here to complete the tray. You can see we are getting a triangle pattern here. And that is the secret to solving this puzzle. For the day side of the puzzle, we have to reverse a pattern. Instead of having that triangle pattern across the top of the puzzle, we're going to take it so we can have this piece fit perfectly across the top. Then we're going to take this piece and complete the other side of the roof like this. And now it leaves a perfect space to fit these last 3 pieces into the tray and have the triangle pattern along the bottom. To get the Heimspiel puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.